Well, it's here. It is my Plusinno 7-foot rod that I've been sent in order to do a review on it and see what I think about it. So I'm just kind of giving you a quick shot of the two-piece right here that's showing up right here. I'm going to hone in here for a second on some of the details. The length is 210 centimeters, 7 foot. The lure weight it can handle is a quarter to 10 ounces. The weight line, 8 to 17 pounds. And this is a medium light rod here. So it's 7 foot, but it is a medium light rod. So this should be able to handle pretty much, bass from a pound, probably up to 5 pounds at least. It can withstand it, or probably something maybe even more. You just never know. So what I wanted to do here really quick was just kind of show off the actual rod and the other piece here as well, and just kind of show everybody what it's all about. And there are 6 eyes on this 7-foot rod here. There's 6 eyes to it. So what I'm going to do now is get it out to the lake and pair this rod with the reel and give it a test, and I'll let you know. All right, stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Just want to continue on with this rod review here. Now I've got it paired up here with my actual spinning reel, so it's on there now. So we're all, as you can see, we're all loaded up there. Fits nicely on there, nice and secure. It's got a good handling and action here, good feel to it. So what I want to do now is we're going to go ahead and put this rod to work and see what we got here. But once again, this is a 7-foot, 2-piece, medium light rod. And I've got 17-pound P-line fluorocarbon line on here. And we will take this out, take it out, do some casting with it, do some throwing, and with any luck, catch some fish on it as well. So I'll continue to see you in this video. All right. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. I'm at the lake now, as you can see, and we're gonna go ahead and start doing some throwing and see how this rod responds to the action in here. I think I see some bass on beds, so we're gonna try our luck at those and just see how it handles it. All right, so we'll see. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get up out of that gunk. All right. There we go, everybody. There we go. And there he is. Nice little hook set right there. So that was good. Get that out of him now. All right. He was caught on, just so everybody can see it. It's caught on the Plusinno rod that held up good, had good holding power. So I am very pleased with that. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Woo! It was a grind, but we got one, and we got it on the Plusinno rod. The rod held up. It's a medium light, so there was lots of bend, lots of action, but I definitely would recommend it as a 2-piece rod for going after those bass. So I definitely would recommend the Plusinno as one of your rod choices here. Once again, I got it, as you can see, I got it paired up here on a spinning rod, and it did a good job. So I would definitely endorse the Plusinno rod as a medium light action rod that can help you catch fish. So once again, this is Johnny Campbell, the Topwater Johnny, and as always, woo, I am hot. Keep your line tight, because when they hit that worm or that topwater lure, it's gonna be a big bite. All right. There we go. Look at the bend on that rod there. All right, let's get this one out of the mud here. Another one on. That's another nice one. Put the one on the bottom of the lip. Clean release. There's another nice one here. This is a nice one right here. So let's see what we got. Like I said, we got a nice one right here. Get a weight on her. Sorry about that. Hey, that's a good one. That one is 2.33 for the G Money Bass Outdoor. That's a good one right there. All right, I had a lot of tech issues here, but I got it worked out. So, all right, G Money Outdoor Bass Tournament. This official entry, 2.33. All right. Once again, that's a nice one right there. All right. Hello, everybody. It's Topwater Johnny here, and I just want to kind of wrap up this review of the Plusinno Rod here. Now, in the clips that you just saw, you have saw me catching fish with the actual Plusinno Rod. So I just wanted to show you once again, right there. There is the actual rod itself, the Plusinno Rod, and it has it's a medium light rod, so it has a big bend on it, but it's really strong, and I was really impressed with it. Now, because I was fishing with the Plusinno rod, I totally forgot at first that I actually have the Plusinno how does that say right there? MB 3000. So I actually have a Plusinno rod here. So I comboed this together, and that caught actually my biggest bass of that day, which was 2.33, and everything held up really strong. Everything was really powerful. So what I'd like to tell everybody is this is definitely an affordable rod. The reel works great with it in combination, and I had lots of success with it. So if you're starting out and you're thinking about what rod should I get, what reel should I get, the Plusinno is a great starter rod and reel combo to get yourself started with. It works really well together, and it will create lots of lasting memories as you go fishing. And so really, I would highly recommend it. So once again, I just want to tell everybody that this is a good rod and a good reel that you can have success with. Well, once again, this is Topwater Johnny, and as I always say, keep your line tight, because when they hit that topwater lure using a Plusinno and reel, it's going to be a big bite. All right.